Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please do click on the bell icon there to get regular notifications. Dhanyawad. Namaskar. Are you a Facebook advertiser and want to learn how to use those tricks that can help you optimize your campaigns? Would you like to learn those important tips that I usually take in consideration while running my Facebook advertisement campaigns? Well, in this video today, I'm going to talk to you about 15 tips which is very important, or 15 hacks which is very important for you as a Facebook advertiser. Point number 1. When you create a lookalike audience out of people in your database, ensure that you upload a highly relevant audience. Quality of audience matters more than the quantity of audience here. So keep that seed audience really small but highly relevant. Tip number 2. Narrow down and further narrow down to reach your desired audience. Instead of adding all interests together, narrow down from one interest to another to bring in the relevant audience. Sometimes these numbers would be huge, sometimes it would be really small. Point number 3. Use triggering keywords like last offer, limited seats, only 10 seats left, only 5 pieces available. This will help you create sense of urgency and drive more clicks and conversion. Point number 4. Use social proof like award-winning campaigns designed, 50,000 plus subscribers, trusted by 1 million Indians, 100 plus flats sold. This increases the credibility of your advertisement. Point number 5. Create video funnel. Every advertising campaign should be supported by a long video and build an audience out of it. Upload these videos as a post and make it reach to your target audience. Since Facebook allows you to build custom audience out of people who have watched 25%, 50%, 75% and 90% of the video, choose 25% if the reach is less and choose 90% if you have heavily invested in the reach of your video. Video engagement is a lot more cheaper than any other engagement currently. Build audience out of people who have watched your videos. Let them watch your video first and then show them your offer little later. Point number 6. Create a form funnel. People who are enrolled in your advertisement campaigns by filling the lead form is more likely to take your communication seriously. Boost your post majorly to those audience who has interacted with your forms earlier. That's the best brand recall you can ever do. You can even target those people who has engaged with your post earlier. Point number 7. Target men and women separately. When you run any advertisement campaigns, ensure you target men and women separately, especially in India where Facebook is dominated by men. There are about 75% male Facebook users. When you target them separately, you ensure your ad reaches to both men and women in equal ratio. Point number 8. Show relevant advertisement to relevant people. You might be selling a property expo. It might be applicable for all, but if you really keep your communication targeted, it will be all the more effective to evoke emotions of the right kind of audience. For example, our recent expo that we are selling showed different advertisements to different people. For a family person, the communication was different. For a person celebrating anniversary, the advertisement was different, and for a generic audience, the advertisement was absolutely different. And even for targeting NRIs, we had a different piece of communication. So for every audience, we had a different piece of communication, but at the end of the day, we were selling that particular expo. Point number 9. Make shorter video ads. Video ads grabs immediate attention of people. When you run video ads, remember it should create a flicker, something that can grab someone's attention. They should know that the video has just begun. Point number 10. Create a free funnel. If inquiries are very expensive through Facebook, activate a free download, free video session or a free crash course. It's easy to bring people for free initiatives and master the art of selling from the stage to drive major conversions from the footfalls. Don't forget to add those people on your WhatsApp or email list so that you can nurture them further. Point number 11. Keep your daily budgets low per campaign. Instead of investing all the money at one go in one campaign, create multiple advertisement sets and park lower daily budgets. Facebook likes to exhaust all your money if your daily budgets are too high. The cost per lead is more likely to be high as the impressions are divided by clicks. And then the daily budget is tallied according to the number of leads you have got. Multiple advertisement sets targeting different ad budgets is the key to keeping your cost really low. Point number 12, exclude audience. There might be an audience that would overlap. You can exclude them. Example, people who have visited your website, people who have interacted with your page, people who have watched your video, especially when you don't want the same audience to watch your advertisements again and again. Don't waste your money on audience who you believe is already aware of what you are trying to sell. Point number 13, target people working in certain companies. Now let me show you two crucial incidents. A play school wanted to sell their daycare services. They targeted the mothers working at a particular company which was just next door. That immediately got them sales. At the same time, a builder in Chennai wanted to sell its flat. They targeted senior employees of a particular company, and that helped them get the right kind of leads which was required for their business. Point number 14, quality of leads is more important than quantity of the leads. Imagine you give your sales team about 3,500 plus leads and there's only 2% conversion. It's super demotivating for them. So you should be aiming at asking questions in your forms that will make people think before they submit their lead generation forms to you. Point number 15, create vernacular advertisements. My experience with vernacular advertisements has been excellent. Whenever I run an ad campaign, I create advertisements in English, Hindi and Tamil, and the response is spectacular. It just works. Look at these ads trying to sell a property expo. Most of these vernacular ones performs a lot better for us. Invest your money there, guys. That's just a secret sauce. In fact, one event that we were trying to market in Maharashtra, we used Marathi language. So please use vernacular language in your Facebook advertisements. So these are 15 Facebook advertising hacks. You should definitely try them up. And if you cannot, then work with Ecomi, which is a digital marketing agency based out of Chennai. I promise we will make some spectacular advertisement campaigns for your brand. Dhanyavad.